I got it here, a little mystery box from pretty cool website. It's called Kaviso.com. I'll put links in description. So they sent it to me for free. Bunch of knives and other stuff. I think there's organizer. So let's unbox it and see what's about. The value of this box around $740. So a lot of goodies. Let's open it, see what's inside. There's paperwork telling you what's in here. Whoa, there's a really heavy box over here. I mean, not super heavy, but pretty hefty. One box and a second box. Nice. And that's how you spell it out, Kaviso.com. So let's open this up. Okay, there goes nothing. Okay, there's a box. So I think this is EDC organizer. A lot of people asking me what does the EDC means. Means everyday carry. So there's a latchet. I think this is the top. Boom. Wow. Ooh, feels good over here. So there it comes with the key. There's the watches holders. You can take them out if you don't wear watches, or you can just put on top of it and leave it. But if you want to put more EDC gadgets in here, you can take one out and stick more EDC stuff in there. So it's pretty much like a jewelry box, but for all men everyday carry stuff like watches, folding knives, pry bars, keychains, picks, toothpicks. That is EDC. That is cool. I think this way. Wow, it's really stackable for many pieces. So you can buy like 3 or 4 of them and it doesn't matter. You can stack them a lot. So this one has a drawer. Ooh, there's a couple knives in here. There's a sticker. I love stickers. But you know what? I never seen a band-aid stickers. That's actually very nice and useful. So this side here, stackable. Wow, it stacks in there so well to where you can almost lift the bottom, but you gotta hold on to it. It's really stuck super nice. That's good. So meaning you can add on different pieces, like multiple drawers. You know what? I never had an organizer, and wow, this is actually going to be really useful. So that way I don't have to look for my knives, for my multi-tools, a little bit of everything in here. Okay, let's pull it out, see what's in here. You know what? The quality is so nice and smooth. I like it how it's non-slip material to where whatever you put, it won't slide around whenever you close it and open it. So it looks like there's 2 other knives. This knife is by Kaviso. This one is Toor knives. They both valued at $280. I'll put links in description for everything. Ooh, wow, that's removable, completely organizable. Probably stick this in the back, but you can put it in the front, whatever is more comfortable. Maybe in the front is better, like for smaller things, and something big in the back. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. There's a couple stickers. I love stickers. Look at that wolf. You know I have huskies. Whoa! What is this? Damascus? There is a certificate of authenticity. That is insane. I love the packaging. Red. Okay. Ooh, look at that knife. I don't think I ever had a handle like that. That is beautiful. So shiny. This is definitely a weekend carrier. Ooh, you know what? QSP. That is nice. S35 variant, a drop point blade. Is that what it's called? I really like that. Look at the purple color to it. And I assume this is a Damascus handle, but I could be wrong. There's a linear hole. Everything tells you right here. This side here, titanium back. So wow, high materials. It tells you that's a frame lock. It says Mokuti front. I think that's what it means. Not really sure, but yeah, that handle is so beautiful. This is like folded steel to where you get this kind of like a Damascus type of steel. Not really sure what this one called when it's colored. I still learn a lot about it. But yeah, that's a beautiful knife. Look at that. Look how smooth that is. I'm usually not really good with the frame locks because I hold this and fight with myself. This one is just so comfortable and easy to close it and open it. Look at that. You can open it this way, easy. So both thumb studs work really well. It's left-handed, no problem. But yeah, right-handed knife, I love that knife a lot. So and there's the Toor knives. I think I heard of those kind of knives. Let's open it, see what it's all about. That's beautiful. This is a dogger knife. Whoa, carbon fiber, really thick, all the way blade. You see, I forgot what it's called, but there's the founder message. There's the little lubricant sticker and microfiber towel with the logo, so that way we can clean the blade. Okay, this is cool. It's a little, I guess like a neck knife, maybe, not sure. I don't know if I've ever had a Toor knives before. Wow, this is comfortable. USA 94, I guess that's like a serial number. This is incredibly nice and easy to hold. Okay, where's the balance on this knife? Not perfectly balanced knife, but I guess that's okay because it's so nice. Very interesting way of doing it because it's like a really heavy handle. It kind of sits in your hand really nice and like heavy. Almost don't feel the blade at all. Kind of like feels like part of my hand. So guys, go check out this gadgets and knives at kaviso.com. I'll put links in the description. Huge thanks. Really happy with these little tools, and definitely the EDC organizer. I'm gonna set it all up real quick so you guys can see. So there's a quick little example of what it's going to look like. You see the big one will not work, so maybe you can stick it in here, and this kind of knives can go in here. And just assume you can add on all this everyday carry items. You know, I showed you a lot of little keychains that you can trade out and put them in here, stick it in that. So yeah, I love that mystery box. That was definitely fun.